Hello, to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the notifications, and we here have the Do Not Disturb mode. And simply to enable it, we press this switch, and we are being asked right now for how long to enable it. And we can set up ourselves until we turn off, or we can set up the amount of time for it to be turned on, and also we can set up right here for how long, and we can select to ask every time, we can select to until I turn it off, and we can select the amount of time right here as you can see. And yeah, we can also set up the schedule, we can add ourselves the schedule for when to start the Do Not Disturb mode and where to end. We can set up the different days, we can also set up the time, so let's for example select the Monday, and on the Mondays it will be starting on 9, for example 9 a.m. and it will end on 6 p.m. in this case. Yeah, just like this, and you set up the name for the schedule, press save, and you can add more schedules actually as you can see, and you can enable and disable them as you can see, just like this. Here also you can allow calls and messages, app notifications and alarms and sounds while in the Do Not Disturb mode, and here are a lot of different options right here. And you can also, right here you have the option to hide notifications, and there are also more options like this. And yeah, basically that's how to enable the how to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also actually do this by going into this quick settings panel right here, and here you have Do Not Disturb, and yeah, that's how we can enable this option right here. Thank you for watching.